Tretinoin is super powerful medicated product, and if used correctly, it can give you multiple skin benefits. From active acne to acne scars, from hyperpigmentation to wrinkles, from dark spots to blemishes, from texture skin to uneven skin tone. It can tackle all these baddies single-handedly. But with so many brands of Tretinoin in the market, it gets confusing for us to choose the right one. But don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna clear all your doubts. And no, this is not a sponsored video, and I'm gonna share all this information completely based on my 5 years of experience in using Tretinoin. But first, let's begin with understanding why Tretinoin is so amazing. Tretinoin, also known as retinoid, a form of vitamin A. When applied on skin, it increases the cell turnover. In simple words, Tretinoin speeds up the process of shedding dead skin cells. Since it's rapidly removing the top layer of the skin in a very fast pace, so this old skin which has many imperfections will be replaced by less imperfection and smoother looking skin. Sounds amazing, right? But every good thing comes with a price. Although in this case we are not talking about the product's price, as Tretinoin brands available in India sells it for max 300 rupees, and one tube literally goes for 4 to 6 months. So it's super affordable. But as I said, every good thing comes with a price. In this case, you have to pay this price with your face. Yes, since Tretinoin increases the cell turnover, so it removes the first layer of the skin very rapidly. Due to this, when Tretinoin is first introduced to our skin sees it as a threat. So in the very beginning of using Tretinoin, like in the first 2-3 weeks, it will be painful. And by painful, I mean painful. When you will touch your face, it will burn. When you will use cleanser or other ingredients, it will give you burning sensation. Your skin will become dry and flaking, like it will be starting to peel off around your nasofold, around your mouth, and also near your hairline. It will be a little painful. And once your skin gets adjusted to Tretinoin, there won't be any kind of side effects like this. Now there's a major myth about Tretinoin that it's a steroid. While in reality, Tretinoin is not a steroid. So it's safe to use it in the long run. Some dermats even suggest to use it like little bit of Tretinoin every night to prevent any kind of wrinkles in the first place. But Tretinoin is not for everyone. Not everyone can use Tretinoin. So let's understand if you can use Tretinoin or not. If a person is very outgoing, and by outgoing I'm not meaning to say going out to chill with friends. What I'm saying is, if a person spends most of their time in outdoor under direct sunlight, then Tretinoin will do more damage than any good to their skin. Since our skin becomes sensitive for a while when we use Tretinoin. If a person is pregnant or breastfeeding, then Tretinoin is a big no-no for them. It can affect your baby's health. So never use Tretinoin if you are either pregnant or lactating. And lastly, if you have sensitive skin. So using Tretinoin will irritate your skin like too much, and you might not be able to bear the pain. So Tretinoin is not for you guys. Instead, go for Retinoid, as those are less effective and irritating than Tretinoin. Now let's talk about the brands of Tretinoin available in Indian market and which one is best to choose. Okay, so the most common and known one is this one. It's Tretinoin Cream 0.025% from the brand Tretin. You must have seen it all over the internet. And this is the one mostly recommended by derms, and it costs around 160 rupees. Second is the brand Adet. They mainly make Tretinoin in gel-based formula. A less common one, but oh my god, it works amazingly fast. Seriously, it's the fastest working Tretinoin I have ever used. I have almost 2 years of experience in using this brand of Tretinoin, and seriously, it works really fast on all the active acne and acne scars. Third is Revise Micro. Okay, so this brand has my heart, because this Tretinoin rarely caused any kind of purging for me. You see, during the winter, I stopped using Tretinoin completely. So around the month of March, I restart using Tretinoin. And because of this long gap of 3 to 4 months, my skin starts to purge again. But with this babe, that has never happened. So these are the brands of Tretinoin you will easily find in the Indian market. Now, which one should you choose? So first of all, if you have oily and acne prone skin like me, then it's best to use a gel-based Tretinoin. And for that, A-Red brand will be perfect. Now, if you have dry or a little sensitive skin, then go for the Revise Micro one. Because in my experience, that has caused very less purging. And if you want to start off with your Tretinoin journey, then you will easily find the one from the brand Tretinoin very easily. It's literally available in all the pharmacy stores in India. Now let's understand how we can use Tretinoin properly. So at night, after you have had your dinner and everything, and all you need to do is like go to sleep. So just before that, you need to cleanse your face very good. There should not be any dirt or makeup on your face.
So start with applying water all over your face. Make your skin damp. Then apply hyaluronic acid. I am using Hyalogel Plus. After applying, let it absorb into the skin and make sure it's fully absorbed. Then take pea-size amount of Tretinoin and apply it all over your face. Hyaluronic acid will maintain the skin barrier by giving it intense amount of hydration, while Tretinoin slough off the outermost layer of the skin. Once applied, let it sit for 20 minutes. Then apply thick amount of moisturizer all over your face. I am using my all-time favorite moisturizer, Aquasoft FC. You can watch detailed video about this moisturizer from the iCard above.
So now you know the benefits of Tretinoin, the brands of Tretinoin, how to use Tretinoin. So in my guess, this is it for today's video. If you have any kind of question, do let me know in the comment section. And subscribe my channel so that we can meet again. Bye bye.